Now we'll say the topic is electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. So what is electromagnetic spectrum? So electromagnetic spectrum is nothing but it is a range of all types of electromagnetic radiation. Okay. So we know radiation is nothing but in the form of energy, right? So energy can travels and spreads out like that. Okay. So these electromagnetic radiation can make up the electromagnetic spectrum, right? So like that radio waves, microwaves, IR, visible, UV, X-rays and gamma rays, right? So these are the orderlier distribution of wavelength or frequency, right? So from radio waves to gamma rays, it could be orderly arranged, like it is an increasing order of frequency because gamma rays have more frequency when compared to radio waves, right? So from gamma rays to radio waves, there will be an increasing order of wavelength because radio waves have more wavelength, right? So we'll see one by one. Okay. So the first one is radio waves. Here we are going to see what are the sources of these waves and what is the wavelength range and what is the frequency and what are the uses. Okay. So the first one is radio waves. So the sources of radio waves is the main source is nothing but it is, and we know it, this radio waves has come from radio station, right? Okay. So the main source of radio waves is oscillators by electric circuits. Okay. So even stars also emit radio waves. Okay, ma'am? Yes. Now the wavelength range is 10 power minus 1 meter to 10 power 4 meter. And the frequency range is 3 into 10 power 9 hertz to 3 into 10 power 4 hertz. Okay. This is the wavelength and frequency range of radio waves. Right? And next, where and all radio waves is using. Okay. So radio waves is used in radio and television and even in cellular phones, right? So to transfer the voice communication like that. So there and all radio waves are using. And the next one is microwaves. So what is the source of microwaves? So microwaves, and there also it is produced by oscillators in electric circuits. Okay. So and the wavelength range is 1 millimeter to 30 centimeter. And the frequency range is 3 into 10 power 11 hertz to 10 power 9 hertz. Okay. So the microwaves, the best example is microwave oven. Okay. When you see the interior wall of the microwave oven, there will be it is exactly of 30 centimeter. You can able to measure. Okay. Yes. And the uses of microwave is, it is used in communication in LCR circuits. LCR circuits nothing but inductor capacitor resistor circuits, the combination. And it is used in telephone networks. Yes, even all telephone networks will work on microwaves only. Even astronomers, they are using microwaves to study the structure of nearby galaxies, right? So this is nothing but microwaves. And the next one is IR radiation, that is infrared radiation. Okay. So the main source of IR radiation is hot bodies because it is produced by hot bodies, that is heat waves. Okay. And the wavelength range is 8 into 10 power minus 7 meter to 5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay. And the frequency range is 4 into 10 power 14 hertz to 6 into 10 power 10 hertz. Okay. So this IR radiation which help us in space, it helps us to map the dust between the stars. Okay. And it is used in greenhouse means to keep the plants warm. Okay. And next one is for heat therapy, for in muscular pain and in night vision or infrared photography, like that IR is using. Okay. And the next one is visible light. So visible light is generally, we know that. What is visible light? Our eyes can detect what? Visible light. And it is produced by incandescent bodies. Okay. And the wavelength range is 4000 Armstrong to 7000 Armstrong. Armstrong is 10 power minus 10 meter. And the frequency range is 7 into 10 power 14 hertz to 4 into 10 power 14 hertz. Okay. And visible light uses, we know it. What is that? It is used to study the structure of molecules and the arrangement of electrons and also what? A sensation of eyes. Okay. Yes. Even all the stars can emit what? Visible light only. Okay. Yes. And the next one is ultraviolet radiation, that is UV radiation. The main common thing is what? It is produced from sun, right? And the main source is from sun. And the wavelength range is 6 into 10 power minus 10 meter to 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter. And the frequency range is 5 into 10 power 17 hertz to 7 into 10 power 14 hertz. This is a wavelength and frequency range for ultraviolet radiation. Okay. And the uses of UV radiation is, UV is very common to destroy the bacteria in water and to detect the invisible writing and used in fingerprints and to study the molecular structure. So there and all UV is what? Using. Okay. And next one is X-rays. So X-rays is common thing. We know at X-rays in hospitals and all, X-rays are using, right? So these X-rays is produced by retardation of high-speed electrons. That is nothing but when you consider a beam of electrons, it going to strike the target. Electrons, it can going to strike the target like that. That when the electrons can hit the target, there will be an invisible penetrating, that is highly penetrating radiation is produced. That Röntgen was named as what? X-rays. Okay, so that I said the main source of X-rays is retardation of high speed electrons, because these electrons can going to strike the target and invisible penetrating radiation is produced, because X-rays we can't able to see, it is invisible only. Okay, and the wavelength range is 10 power minus 13 meter to 10 power minus 8 meter, and the frequency range is 3 into 10 power 21 hertz to 10 power 16 hertz. That is the wavelength and frequency range for X-rays, right? And the next one is, what are the uses of X-rays? So you know it common, X-rays what? It is used to locate the bone fracture like that, which means the what? The X-rays can pass to our body, it can imaging the bones. Okay, and next thing is in industry. In industry, the finished metal product, it can able to detect the faults, cracks, holes like that. Okay, so there are all X-rays are using. The next one is, last thing is what? Gamma rays. And this gamma ray should have the highly penetrating radiation because it has the highest frequency among the all. Okay, the main source of gamma rays is the decay of nuclei. Decay of nuclei. Which means what? You consider uranium, it can going to be decay itself or breaking out. So in that there will be a radiation is produced, waves, that is the gamma waves. Okay. So the wavelength range of gamma is 10 power minus 14 meter to 10 power minus 10 meter, and the frequency is 3 into 10 power 22 hertz to 3 into 10 power 18 hertz. Okay. And the uses of gamma is, it is used to destroy the cancer cells. So in hospitals they are using gamma to destroy the cancer cells, and even in cancer growth it can burn out completely. Okay. And next in food industry, it can kill the what? Harmful microorganisms, that is pathogenic microorganisms. So these are all the electromagnetic radiations of that makes electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. So among these 7, which has a different wavelength and frequency, but one thing is common to all, that is nothing but velocity, because electromagnetic waves travels with a speed of light in air or vacuum. So velocity is common to all the terms, all the things, that is electromagnetic waves. Okay, this is nothing but electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, that's it.